everyone. Thank you for tuning into my channel and welcome back. And in today's video, I'm going to show you a sample class wherein I teach my students using Adventure Academy. So it is a fun way to teach children science. So after the video, I'm going to tell you what are the things that I like and the things that I don't like about Adventure Academy. So if you're interested in that, you want to know what Adventure Academy looks like inside my class. By the way, this student, Jimmy, he is my student for my homeschool assistance program, which I call creative homeschooler program for this year. So I'm gonna launch that this year. So if you want to know more about creative homeschooling, so message ka lang dyan sa comment box below. So without further ado, let's roll that intro.
This sounds like fun.
Do you hear the sound?
Yes.
Multiplying is just a way of adding a number to itself. For example, if we have 3 sapphires in one mine car and 3 sapphires in another mine car, we can find out how many sapphires there are altogether by adding 3 plus 3 equals 6.
Okay, so 3 plus 3 equals 6. So remember these two, this is the equation, right? So it is grouped into how many?
Okay.
It is grouped into how many?
6.
Hmm?
Hmm?
Look at the
You mean
figure.
2 groups?
Yes, it is 6 is shared into 2 groups. So this is how it looks like. So when you say 6 shared, so 6, all of the sapphire, if you're going to get the total, then there are 6 sapphire in
There
total.
are 6
But
diamonds in total because that's a diamond.
diamond, it's a sapphire.
It's a diamond. Look at the thing.
Okay, it looks like a diamond. Okay, whatever you call it. But the
Can
diamond.
I unpause the movie, please?
Okay, remember what I say first. If you
Okay.
get, okay, there's 6 sapphire and it is shared into 2. So if you're going to represent it through drawing, so there are 2 groups with a total of 6 diamond or sapphire or gems. Okay, so if you're gonna represent it using plus, it will be 3 plus 3 is equal to 6.
Is there something that I can write
We can
here?
also find out by multiplying. There are 2 groups and 3 sapphires in each group. So we can multiply 2 times 3. 2 times.
Okay, the first one is 2. It means the number of group.
It's
Okay, so
6.
there is
6.
one first group and the second group. And in each group, okay, so in each group, this is group 1 and this is group 2. In each group, there are 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, if you're gonna give the total, then the total is 6. So this is also called a row. So this is one row. Okay? Second row. All right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So I'm gonna play it.
3 equals 6. If 4 miners pick up 3 diamonds, we can find out how many diamonds they have altogether by adding 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 12.
3, 6.
We can also find.
Okay, what is the multiplication for this? How do you represent it through multiplication?
Like times?
Yeah.
Am I gonna see the number?
Yes.
Okay, let me see.
So blank times blank is equal to 12.
4. 4 times 3.
Okay, so 4 groups of
Wait, I'm gonna be
3.
right back.
Why?
Okay, again. 4 groups of 3 is equal to
12.
12.
12.
Okay.
12.
So 12 diamonds is shared into how many groups?
Teacher Barry, Teacher Zari, is there a quiz at the end of this?
No, there's no quiz. It's just a lesson.
Yes.
The quiz is in reading eggs. Okay, so Jimmy,
I don't want the
12
quiz.
was shared into how many groups?
You mean 4?
4. How many groups how many diamonds,
Split
gems
up.
in each group?
3.
There are 3 gems in each group. Okay.
No, diamonds. It's
Diamonds.
diamonds.
Okay. Find out by multiplying.
Gems are
4
green.
times 3 equals 12. In this picture, there are 4 rows of diamonds, and there are 3 diamonds in each row. When you arrange things in rows with the same number in each row, that's called an array. We can use arrays to learn more about multiplying numbers. Hooray for arrays! For example, the diamond array we made shows us that 4 rows of 3 diamonds each is a total of 12 diamonds. 4 times 3 equals 12. But see what happens when we arrange the diamonds differently. Okay, what do you think is this?
4. There are 3 groups before when it is 3 and there's 4.
Of what? 3 groups of?
4.
Okay, is equal to?
4, 8, 12.
We still have 12 diamonds, but now they are arranged in 3 rows of 4. This shows us that 3 times 4 equals 12. There are actually 4 other ways to arrange the 12 diamonds into arrays that show 4 other ways to multiply 2 numbers and get 12. Can you find them? Okay, what is it?
Well, like 2 groups of 6, it's 12.
2 times 6 is equal to 12. What else?
That's 4.
I'm sorry. I'm looking at the number 4. Number 2 now. Okay. Next one. What else?
Using annotate. Okay, let me see. 4. Okay. Let me see. Wait. Like 7. 2. Like 7 plus 5. 12.
What's 7 plus 5?
Let me see.
Multiplication. Switch it.
6
6
times 2.
2 equals 12.
I'm so smart.
And then, what else?
Okay, wait. Do not. 7 times. 7 times. No. Because it's 14.
So, 3 times 4
2,
equals
4 is
12.
4 times 3.
4 times 3 equals 12. Okay, so those are
I know.
We have one more. 12 times 1 equals 12. 1 times 12 equals to 12. Right? Okay, so let's continue.
I don't like reading. It's not my favorite.
This will be your favorite already.
Yes.
Let's see, maybe.
What's fine,
I
penguin?
think this one is.
It's a video. I like it.
It's just a video. It's not an activity.
I was heading to a book signing for my best-selling memoir. You can count on me. The Pepe story. But I felt like I was being watched. Oh, fish. Why did you get all these promotional cardboard cutouts? And why did you put yourself on them? It is my book, yes?
Well, boss, I'm in it too, right? Didn't you mention me?
Fish, you didn't fill the gas?
Oh, sorry, boss, there wasn't time. It took forever to add myself to all those pictures.
Huh? 12 crunchies are headed our way.
But why would the number cruncher send them here?
Because he is jealous, of course. His book, You Can't Count on Me. The number cruncher story only sold 4
Free
copies.
time.
Huh? Now there's only 6 of them. Wait, now there's
What?
Can I have a free time 5 minutes like a break? 5
Time
minutes.
wherein you can navigate the Adventure Academy.
Use and watch.
Okay.
Don't forget Spying Penguins is on Netflix.
only 3.
Suspicious. Deploying the Pepetron to get a better look.
Get them?
Aha!
So where is
There
the
are still 12 crunchies headed our way. They're changing their arrangement in order to hide. You see, they were in one row of 12 crunchies. Then they rearranged themselves into 2 rows of 6 crunchies each. And now they're in 4 rows of 3 crunchies each. But always, the total is 12.
Oh, the 2 of us can't fight off 12 crunchies. We're doomed.
Silence, fish. Who says there's only 2 of us?
You got me.
Once again, Matt saves the day.
With a little help from my cardboard cutouts. You'll put that in your next book, right, boss?
No.
Alright, so that's it, guys. So that is Adventure Academy. So a sneak peek on what Adventure Academy looks like. So if you want to download and subscribe Adventure Academy, you can check out the link in the description box. If you want to join Creative Homeschooler Program, if you want to know more about it, just check out the description box again. I will put all the information there. So now I'm gonna tell you what I like about it. First, it's very interactive and it's like you're in a school, especially now that it's pandemic. So you will get to feel like that you're in a school. And what I love most about it is it's like you're in a museum. It's very colorful. It's really good. It's a really good game. And yeah, what I don't like about it though is that it's my daughter. Sometimes they get distracted about the other things. So I hope there is an option for me to go to the videos, the learning videos, and not roam around the campus every time, because I think it's really time consuming and it distracts our class. So my child roam around, but I want to have that option wherein I could just go directly to the videos itself, right? Yeah. Okay, so that's it. Yun yung review ko with Adventure Academy. So Adventure Academy, if you can hear this, I hope that the parent section will be more useful. Okay, so if you want to know more about Adventure Academy, homeschooling, online teaching, just comment it down below, ask questions. It will help me create more videos. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you like it and subscribe. And don't forget the notification bell and then click all, so that you will be notified on my next fun learning videos. Goodbye.